Hey, it's your brother Yassine's here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new side hustle about how you can earn money testing websites, web apps, and mobile apps. You choose whatever you want. So the very first website that I'm going to recommend is usertesting.com. So whenever you come to this website, so usertesting.com is a platform that big companies are paying so that they can help them improve their user experience and improve on it. So the way they do it is that user testing is gonna pay you so that you can test big companies, websites or mobile apps, and you give them your feedback, and that's what companies are going to take into account so that they can improve or fix their whole user experience, because actually they don't have time to keep just looking for people one by one and help them, so they just resort to user testing, which does the work for them, kind of outsource that testing part. So by the way, you don't need any experience, you don't need any qualification, you need no degree, you just need to have a laptop if you're going to use if you're going to test a website or a web app, or you need a mobile app. That's the beautiful thing about these programs, that just a mobile app, just a mobile phone or smartphone, could be super useful if you just want to focus on testing mobile apps. So even if you don't have a laptop, that's totally okay. Yeah, as you can see here, we are on usertesting.com. You have Walmart, Capital One, Facebook, Domino's Pizza. They all, among many, like they're all resorting to user testing so that they can help them with the testing their UX, aka user experience. All right, so the way you register, you go here and you go get paid to test. You click on it. Then you put your email address. Then you click here, right? And as you can see, that's how the process works. You just sign up, you apply to join user testing. Then they're going to be sending you a kind of a questionnaire, a test. It's an English test that you have to take. Again, just because, again, you must have not be a proficient as far as English is concerned, but still could speak English. You must be able to speak English. So you take a test, and again, guy, the trick a little bit, you have a trick in here. You can just go to YouTube and just put user testing tests, and then you're gonna find people are gonna show you how the test is going, and just pick it up, and just get the answers, and then you can take the test, and then you get paid. So basically you get paid $10 for every 20 minutes. So in other words, you get paid $30, just like I mentioned on the title of my video, for every single hour of work. So, but you're not gonna be working. The reality is that once you're gonna sign up for the program, and okay, so once you're gonna sign up for this program, you're gonna receive an email, you're gonna take the test, and then they're gonna be sending you a questionnaire that you're gonna have to fill out, just so that they know that you are the right fit. Because again, some companies are looking for very specific people. For example, they need men or women between this age and that age from a very specific demographic. So that's why they're going to be asking you, they're going to be sending you a questionnaire to fill out. And again, this usertesting.com does not work in every single country. So there are some countries where it works and others where it doesn't. But of course, as you know me, I always have your back. I'm gonna list some other websites that offer pretty much the same service, that pay a little bit less generally, because user testing, in my opinion, is the one that pays the most. So I'm gonna list a bunch of websites that are offered, like that are accepting many more other countries that are not accepted by usertesting.com. So yeah, so you need, again, if you're on your laptop, you will need a screen. I forgot to mention that you will need to download the app, which is a screen recorder. Yeah, on the mobile app, you need to have the app so that you can be able to test. Yeah, and by the end of the video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how, like how you can get approved for tests. Because again, like whenever you take a test, you're gonna get rated for it, and the more you're rated in a, like, you have a great rating, the more invitations to take part of testings you're gonna be receiving. Uh, so the second platform that I would recommend would be trymyui.com. So again, as I told you, you're not gonna be receiving emails every single day. You're not gonna be having always tests to take. So I would rather recommend that you sign up with as much websites as much testing websites as possible, and be open to both mobile testing and web testing, because that's going to allow you to maximize your potential, and of course elevate your opportunities. So just, I'm gonna, as I told you, just go down below in the description and you're gonna see all of the websites that I know of that are legitimate, that do pretty much the same job, just like usertesting.com, and just get into them, apply the same process, just like here, for example, like we're in trymyui.com, click on here, get paid to test, right? Or here, and put your email, or you just sign up, and yeah, that's it. So you get the point, right? So probably like there are 7 or 8 websites, something like that, more or less. And yeah, so the other thing is okay, so I just wanted to mention, yeah, the way I just wanted to mention, I was just looking over my notes. Whenever you're gonna get paid, like many people would ask, like when I'm gonna get paid and how I'm gonna get paid. So on user testing, and probably even Try My UI, you get paid through PayPal. So you need a PayPal account, and you get paid 7 days right after your test is approved. And as I told you, like my trick and something that I would recommend you to improve your rating, because as I told, like the moment you put a test, like you record the test, because the way it's going to work, they're going to send you a link, then you're going to have the website, then they're going to ask you a bunch of actions to take. And then, for example, they're going to tell you to click on this or find this, find that. And then they're going to be asking you, for example, how do you like this page? How does that make you feel? Because again, that's the whole, they're working on improving, they're spending like millions of dollars to improve the user experience. So my trick, if you want to get like rated very good by companies, is that don't stay silent. Whenever you're testing, just don't, like, for example, whenever they tell you to perform an action, just don't wait and just scroll down or scroll up, or just looking for, let's say you're looking for a button, just don't stay silent for a few seconds. No, just speak, just like you're talking to yourself. Like, just like when your website, like whatever goes in mind, you say, oh, okay, now I'm just looking here, I'm looking there, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Even if you're not, as long as you're searching, because again, you don't want to stay silent. Again, please just keep it rolling, keep talking, get your get your mind out, and so that even the testers can know what's going on in your mind. And again, that's the purpose of the whole thing. They want to make it, they want to make the experience so that again, you're just amazed by what they have to offer, and you don't get confused, etc., etc. So just apply this one rule, and you're gonna do great. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please tell me what you're going to do with it right now, because I want you to sign up. I want you to start taking tests and start making a side hustle. Again, guys, this is not going to make you rich, but that's a good side hustle that's going to allow you to amass a little bit of money so that you can invest on what could bring you money in the long term. And as always, if you liked my video, please share. If you loved it, found it helpful as well, subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell button so that you can get more videos like this, more side hustles to add to your arsenal, and of course get your financial freedom over time so that you can focus on your dreams. Okay, until then, see you very soon and keep crushing it. I love you all. Bye bye.